what isn't great about being an ophthalmologist? No, I'm passionate about ophthalmology because it's one of the few branches of medicine where you can actually improve on someone's quality of life, and that's very important to me. Sometimes, inevitably, as in all parts of medicine, there are some people that we cannot help, and that can be very, very frustrating. But it's important to be able to offer support in those instances. I'm a refractive surgeon, so my favorite surgery is obviously laser vision correction, particularly SMILE, keyhole laser eye surgery, and also refractive lens exchange with presbyopia correcting intraocular lenses. I don't know, 40 patients this week. An ophthalmologist fact is one of the things that people don't realize is, as a proportion of the general population, more ophthalmologists have had laser eye surgery than in any other profession. Well, I enjoy coming to, I love my job. It's great. I get to meet people, I get to talk to people, I get to make their lives better. What else can you ask for? Is to make sure I have done my best every single day. My dad, a very kind, patient man with a great deal of integrity, and if I can be anywhere near what he is now, I would be proud of myself. Anywhere where I have my family with me, where we can just relax. I don't have to worry about work and the pressures of work, and my kids can climb all over me. Medstars is great because I get to do really fun interviews and they don't laugh at me.